In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a backup from Salesforce Setup. If you want to keep a copy of your Salesforce data for safekeeping, this is a simple and reliable way to do it. The export tool in Salesforce allows you to generate a backup file that you can download as compressed zip folders. This can be useful for record keeping, audits, migrations, or just making sure you have an extra copy of important information outside the platform. To begin, open Google Chrome and go to Salesforce Setup. Once you're there, make sure you're in the setup area and not just on a regular Salesforce page, since the export options are located inside the admin settings. Next, look for the quick find search box, which is usually located on the left side of the setup page. In that search box, type data export. As you type, Salesforce will filter the available settings. When you see data export appear in the results, click on it to open the export page. On this page, you'll typically see the option to export your data immediately or to schedule exports for later. If you need the backup right away, click Export Now. If you prefer to automate the process for future backups, you can choose the scheduling option instead. Either way, this is the step where you tell Salesforce when to prepare your export. After that, review the export settings carefully. Make sure to check the box that includes attachments and content deliveries in the backup request. This is important because those files may contain valuable supporting documents and shared content that you don't want to leave out of your backup. Including them helps make your export more complete. Once everything looks correct, click Start Export. Salesforce will begin preparing the backup in the background. Depending on the size of your data, this may take a little time, so don't worry if the files are not available immediately. When the export is ready, Salesforce will send a system email that contains a download link. Open that email and use the link to download the compressed zip directories to your computer. Be sure to save them in a secure location where they can be easily found later, especially if this backup is being kept for compliance or recovery purposes. And that's it. You've successfully started a Salesforce data backup and downloaded the exported files once they were ready.